start earning online today guys. So for this video is turuan ko kayo kung paano kayo kikita online. And also guys, this is about legit application or website kung saan kayo pwedeng kumita online. At kung bago ka sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. Good day mga ka-district, this is John again from Jandam District, and another way tayo guys kung paano kumita online using surveys. So by the way guys, napakadali lang mag-cash out dito, kaya i-try nyo na. Trinay ko muna itong application guys para siguradong makakapag-cash out kayo dito at legit ang application na ito. Tayo mag-umpisa guys, check nyo guys ang comment section para sa ating tips on answering paid service para lagi kayo makapag-take ng service at makapag-cash out kayo agad. At syempre guys, umpisa na natin. Ang application nga pala guys ay walang iba kundi ang Tap Service at available ito guys sa App Store at sa Google Play. Pwede nyo rin to guys i-check sa website nila, which is ang tapservice.app. This app guys has a good reviews and ratings. At what you can see on the App Store, it's 4.7 stars guys. So to start guys, you just need to sign up. Napakadali lang mag-sign up dito. And then take service guys, napakasimple ng mga service dito, 2 to 3 minutes lang. And of course, get paid. So pwede ka dito guys makapag-cash out via Visa, PayPal, Amazon, Google Play, Apple Store, or gift card pa. So this is what it looks like guys kapag na-access nyo na yung application. So again, you can access it using App Store or Play Store. For legitimacy guys, you can check it on Google and also you can search it on sa mga trusted website para ma-check nyo na legit at paying talaga tong website or application na ito. Okay guys, so let's answer frequently asked question. How and when can I cash out on my earnings? Guys, you can cash out anytime, and also guys, walang withdrawal limit dito or minimum amount. So you can withdraw it anytime. So are there fees or charge to join Tap Service? No guys, it's completely free. Next guys is, can I take service on any devices? Yes guys, you can use tablet at iba't ibang devices as long as it's connected to the internet. And last frequently asked question, are my personal details and responses kept confidential guys? Absolutely, your privacy is their top priority. And of course guys, got more question. If you have comment or question, just put it on the comment section and I'll be happy to answer your queries. And by the way guys, that's it for today's video. Sana nakatulong ito sa inyo guys. If you have time, please subscribe and like the video and share it to your friends para mag-start na rin kayo mag-earning online. So, see ya!